Hey internet, why did 708 of my videos get taken down, the tutorial ones? So I used textbook questions. I thought it was fine because of fair use, it was educational, it was transformative, I was solving the questions, I was adding commentary, comments, critiquing the question, and since everyone or almost everyone used some form of ad block, and most of my videos only got like less than 10 views, I wasn't getting paid much anyways, so I thought it was fine, but I got a strongly worded email to remove all of them, so I complied. So moving forward, I'm going to use public domains such as Wikipedia for mathematical concepts and just create my own questions. So I won't get pinged by textbook publishers. Okay. So, yeah, my channel just got nuked. Like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.